Hello, welcome to the Exchange 2010 SP1 Installation and Configuration series. Today we're going to talk about Outlook Address Book and also Outlook Anywhere. So let's do this. Mm, Outlook Address Book. As I have shown earlier, that Outlook Address Book is already configured. You can see over here, offline address book distribution. It's already located. There, the properties, there are not much over here except for the internal URL of the OAB, and there is one thing also over here. My test mail still here. It's connected to Microsoft Exchange 2010, my email server, and there the address book is. It's already there. You see the the users that holds the mailbox accounts, they have their uh, account properties in the Outlook address book. Organizations, phone names, if those things are all set up, it will be coming in over here. So that's about it. Let's minimize this and we go back to we're still here in server configuration, client access. We're going to enable Outlook Anywhere. Now Outlook Anywhere is actually based on um, connecting users when they're not in the premises or in the local LAN. So whenever they're outside of your office, even they can be geographically located or whatever, so they can be connected. They can connect to your organization. That's the main reason of it. Over slow connection or the connection is actually doesn't matter right now. The whole world is actually adapting to high-speed network. So let's do this again, the Outlook Anywhere. So over here you have to see, you have to click on the Enable Outlook Anywhere. Click on it. External host name. So basically what I'm doing right now, I'm in the in my server right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm typing in my server organization name and everything. It goes for basic authentication. Now what it actually does, basic authentication or whatever it's saying, it's actually using RPC, the remote procedure call, to connect to your Outlook server, mail server. It's basically primarily HTTPS. What we have already installed, what you need to have is the RPC over HTTP proxy. So there are some other things that you don't need to install, like desktop experience, because of the recording purposes. I have installed these things, but you don't need to. In the production server, you should never install these things. But RPC over HTTP proxy is needed for connecting your external users to your mail servers. So mind this, you shouldn't be using HTTPS : or whatever, only your host name. Enable. So let's see, it's saying that it will be enabled after a certain period of time. It typically is 15 minutes. So if there is a problem, it will report back to your event viewer. So let's finish. So now the warning is, it's not a warning, it's actually a downgrade system, because uh, the downside, the downside of Outlook Anywhere is you have to enable each and every user for accessing from their laptop or whatever they're using. It's not we're not talking about ActiveSync. We're actually using Outlook Anywhere. So what you have to do is, I'm using 2010 Outlook services, account settings, data files, account, and there are options for connections to the Microsoft Exchange using HTTP, Exchange proxy settings. Now you see, as I've told you earlier, it's saying that it's connected by HTTPS. It's not actually connecting to HTTP. So that's the thing. mobs-srv.mobs-bd.org, and remember what you're actually done with the when you enable this authentication system. It's basic authentication. You have to do it manually. Again, OK. Click OK. You have to restart your Outlook to changes for the changes to take effect. OK. Next and finish. This is done. So wherever you're actually configuring these Outlook settings, uh, these users will be able to access Outlook from anywhere. If they have a network connection, they will be able to access your email server. So so now you know how your offline address book is actually working. You see the mobs-bd.org domain came up. This is your global access list, address list. So you will be able to whatever you're actually connecting to the room services, the conference services and everything would be over here. The users, everything who has mail servers, even your rooms that you're actually your conference rooms and everything which has an email account with the mailbox, everything would be coming in over here. So what you'd be saying is your global address list. Okay, then I hope this video is actually informational to you. Bye.